Marami pa. Pa.
Caution, you are approaching the end of the conveyor.
Sige lang.
Kanina ayaw ko ganyan.
We came from here.
Sanay na kaya ito mo? Dito na lang ka, no?
Yes.
Hindi, itong kwan.
Ah,
Cart.
oo, buka. Hindi, bakit?
CA 856. Yun ang gate ng line flight namin. Yun na sa baba. Eh, baka makurso na dahan mo yun sa akin, sabi. Ito Queens Terminal, Queens Terminal, Terminal 2. Dito pala ang Air China. Maganda. Ito yung baba niya ng kasi madalas sa Terminal 4 kami. Ito, Terminal 2 ngayon. Sa Heathrow to, Heathrow. Tingin daw siya ng shoes. Ayan. Medyo mura-mura kasi. May samba dito. Kasi yan ang uso ng Adidas ngayon, parang ang bilig. Ano? Ganyan lang. Binibigay mo sa akin. Ganyan yung style.
Yung gano'n, kaya lang diesel. Ayan o. Ganyan yung talampakan mo. Yung nakita natin sa Plymouth, ganito, mas mataas pa. Oh, there it is. Yeah, thank you.
Tignan mo, parang malaki yan. Ano ba yan?
Size 9, UK 9.
UK 9 ba siya? Tignan mo kung UK 9 siya. Kasi alam ko 43 ba yan?
Ah,
Oh.
43 and a half.
Pero UK 9, tignan mo.
UK 9. Ganda ang ng talampakan. Ito yung gum na sinasabi.
Kasi inihap eh, US 9 sa
US 9 and a half. UK 9.
US 10. UK 9.
UK 9. Ha?
Parang mahaba.
Malaki?
Sa bagay, tanong mo nga siya kung may 8.
8 and a half?
Yung tanggal yung inihap, 9 lang.
UK
43.
9 nga yan eh.
Tapos 43 yan.
US 9 and a half.
UK 9. UK
UK
9 ba siya
9.
meron?
UK 9.
UK 9 ba siya?
Tingnan ko nga.
Kunan mo nga kami habang nag-ano siya. Tell me, what's the difference between that one and that?
All of them, we're having four of them, and the different cask finish. We're having that one of the bourbon cask. We're having this one, it's peated. They're adding the peat for the extra flavor and taste. This one is of the sherry cask, the Oloroso sherry cask, and this one is 15 years old, and small batches Oloroso sherry cask finish. Okay.
They use Gimlebet there as well, isn't it?
No, that's the different distillery. It's located close by. I guess it's like maybe 20 kilometers apart, but it's a different distillery. It's not the same. No, they're using the water from the river down close, and there is a very, very small place. Maybe there is like 700 people living up there. Yeah, very high on the highlands. It's in the space side.
What's your name again?
Alicia.
Alicia. My channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome in the Heathrow Airport, Terminal 2. Thank you.
We always go in Terminal 4. It's our
Today,
first time
Terminal
here.
2.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll put this one in my channel. This is oh, Lakaya Dwayne. Lakaya Dwayne. Can you write it? Yeah, I will.
You subscribe so you can watch.
I forget my speaker. I'm just ready your channel name. I follow you when I go home today. Oh, thank you. Please subscribe. It's free. So you explain all no, not in Indonesia at the moment, but when I go home to the Philippines. But I usually cook in my channel. I like it. I like cooking. I cook myself every day. Really? Yeah. I think most of the main. Yeah, they are good cook. Good cook. Yes. That's right. Because you will be just first time. Try to cook it. Yeah. Because so that you will like. And you will see my face and my granddaughter. And I like it. Sure, no one, because I'm on whiskey. I'm a whiskey man, so no one. I'm 70 this month. Oh, 70 years old. Advance happy birthday. Thank you. Mama. Ito Beijing. Ito Beijing. Picture lang yun ako sandali. Yan. Beijing. Nasa Beijing po kami. Kaya lang wala kang mga ano rito masyado. Wala masyado nagsasalita ng kung. Pagkano? 2? Grabe. Ito tayo, lababo. Dito. Ayun o. Dito naman dumaan eh. Pwede ba hawakan to? Ha? Hermes.
But I love Beijing.
Sige, dyan ka. Doon ka na yun. Sabi mo? Yan sa'yo, pang picture ko. Parang talbos na
Parang
kamote, ah.
Pilipinas yung halaman.
Parang talbos na kamote. Ganda ng mga plants nila.